Backstabber. Someone who betrays a friend. Example: she pretended to be my friend, but then spread rumors about me. What a backstabber. Airhead. Someone who's not very smart, or who makes silly mistakes. Example: I can't believe I forgot my phone at home again. I can be such an airhead sometimes. Stubborn. Someone who is not willing to change their opinion or consider different ideas. Example: even though everyone disagreed, he was too stubborn to change his mind. Bonehead. Someone who's acting stupid or foolish. Example: he tried to start the car without the keys. What a bonehead move. Bossy. Someone who always tells people what to do, often annoyingly so. Example: she's so bossy, she even tells her friends how to dress. Chicken. Someone who is scared to do something. Example: he won't go on the roller coaster. He's being a chicken. Clingy. Someone who gets very attached and dependent on another person quickly. Example: he texts her every hour. He's a bit too clingy. Creepy. Someone who makes you feel uncomfortable. Example: that guy staring from across the street is really creepy. Conceited. Someone who has an excessively high opinion of themselves. Example: he always talks about how talented he is. It's a bit conceited, don't you think? Moaner. Someone who complains a lot. Example: he's a real moaner, always grumbling about the weather. Freeloader. A person who takes anything without giving return. Example: he never brings anything to our gatherings, but eats the most. Such a freeloader. Nerd. A person who is very intellectual or knowledgeable. Example: she knows everything about Star Wars. She's a total nerd. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.